Feeling exhausted? Fight the heat or rain when mowing the yard? Don't worry, YARDCARE E400 Robot Lawnmower has solution for you. With powerful brushless motor, E400 could take care of small to medium lawn up to 4,300 square feet. Self-charging and docking when reach 20% battery. Using app control and schedule cutting from anywhere and anytime you want. It is definitely IPX5 waterproof from rain and cleaning. With the obstacle avoidance for absolute safety. The 3 rotating blades for height adjustment as desired, and 7-inch cutting width for perfection results. Take care your lawn with YARDCARE.